Hello guys, I'm gonna open up my new computer.
Introduce yourself first.
Yeah, I'm Ikaros.
AKA Felix.
Yeah.
He was so thrilled when we got this at the postal office.
There's a big hole inside.
Yes, let's hope nothing is broken. First we have the headset.
Yes.
Corsair Vengeance 1500. Same as the one I bought yesterday.
And a bag for the computer.
And here we have the massive
ASUS
gaming laptop. i7 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, plus these that I had since earlier, so 16, and a 670 graphics card.
Can I get a knife? Thank you.
We're going to have a LAN party tonight as well, so we'll probably record something from there too. I think you open it upside down.
You think?
It looks like it.
Yeah, probably.
There we go. I hold there. Yes, definitely.
Well, it looks the same on the other side, so.
Well, when it's this kind of little.
It's definitely the same.
Nice, what should I say, bag or cover. Watch the battery. What a small battery, it was thick but not very wide. That looks awesome. Just gonna get some better light. Aw, sweet.
Yeah.
I'm jealous now. My stationery is better than this, but I want this as a laptop.
What's this?
Ultimate fighting machine. Let's see if it can focus. Yeah, somewhat.
Yeah.
And behind it looks like this, kind of like the rear end of a car or something. It's pretty big backside, so it's another depth of it than usual. But
Yeah, it was hardly getting a bag that could fit it.
But this looks really awesome. Is that cover or is it supposed to be like that? So shiny.
I think it's plastic.
Big as charger though.
Yeah.
Well, I guess, yeah, a lot of power. It's a real powerhouse. What was it? If we think in dollars, it's about,
A lot.
isn't it like $1,500 or something?
I don't know.
We will come back to that later in the video. Check it out. And here we have some boring manuals and stuff. What is this? Cable tie. Oh, can tie up your cables.
Yes, instructions.
Yeah, and the battery. You could unbox this as well.
Yeah, sure, why not?
so jelly right now. I don't have the money to buy a laptop like this though. I had to buy a cheaper laptop for school, even though I wanted one of those. But I have a good stationery, luckily. If you hold right there, don't move. At all. I have this for a LAN party. Not very bright right now. There we go. I have another screen and a lot of stuff to it, but you can move now. I only take one screen with me while at the LAN because I'm too lazy.
Got no space.
It's stuff everywhere. I can take out these. Meanwhile, there you have a horse and Swedish newspaper. Yes, they look awesome. They're great quality in build and they are super comfortable. And once you've tweaked the sound a bit, they sound really great. 7.1 surround and USB connection. And it's a fabric around the cable and stuff. And here we have extra 8 gigs of RAM, 1600 megahertz. That we're gonna put in later. What's this?
I don't know.
Is that? Let's check underneath.
Probably for something.
Is the speaker down here? Subwoofer. You have a built-in subwoofer.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
That's new, I guess. I've never seen that before in a laptop. I don't know what this is for. We will check it later. Bye for now, we will come back tonight. We are now going to put in the extra RAM. Wait a minute, I'm just gonna try to record while putting on the light. Their kitchen is so big. If you hear something in the background, it's his brother. I'm having a problem.
Yes. There we go.
Wait. Oh.
That's the filter.
That's the filter for the fan. So that's what that is. Over there.
I know.
Then you have to unscrew this. Whoa, the whole bottom plate is held together with one screw. I'm still surprised there was a subwoofer built in. Right now he has Windows 8 on it, but he will install Windows 7, I think.
Yeah.
Since he programs
Visual Studio.
games in Visual Studio and requires XNA. And my experience with Windows 8 is that it doesn't support XNA for some reason, which is just stupid.
Come on.
I think you're gonna... No, I think you have to like push it that way or something.
Oh,
hold this. I can do
this
this.
is this is warm. No, I can do it. Maybe.
Don't throw it onto the ground.
I throw it on the ground. I don't want to do that. Okay, you try.
Watch, they don't post that. This was really odd. It's supposed to be open. You don't want to be too forceful either, since it's a new computer.
Yeah, focus. I'll try.
Isn't it fun watching us fail miserably? I think you should pull it upwards, but I think it's just stiff in the beginning. But you don't want to try to force it too hard. Wouldn't be fun to break a new computer that's worth that much money.
No, I really don't want to break it.
It was between this and the Razer Blade, but this had a better graphics card, and you can also a Swedish keyboard, and it's able to be bought here in Sweden in difference from Razer Blade. I got it open with my amazing strength.
Something sucks.
Yes.
We can't open this.
We couldn't open it. We have been trying this for like 5 minutes
And
now.
now we're bending the plastic.
I'm not gonna record his brother, he's in his underwear.
I don't want to. It's bending the plastic.
Yes. This feels even more dangerous.
Yeah.
How does it look inside? Can we see that? No, we can't. It's too dark. I don't think you should bend it that way. I see the hard drive.
I don't want to break it.
Oh, this is a delicate moment. Be very careful. I read computers in school and building computers and stuff, and he read technical line. His brother read the same program as me, and we still can't open up a stupid plastic casing to access.
We can open it.
To access the open it without damaging your new computer.
That's the problem.
Yeah, and you don't want to stick something in there and help it bend up either.
No.
This is just ridiculous. Oh, he has clothes on. That was quick. You're gone like 10 seconds.
Simon.
Hello, I'm Madness Master.
Yeah, aren't they?
Open this without
Don't they look
breaking it.
alike? Even if Icarus has more beard right now. He had more beard during
You
Christmas.
Open this without breaking it.
What part do you want to open?
This.
In-
Without bending it too much. There's one screw and then like...
Why do you want to open it?
So we can put in these.
Moron.
Oh. Are you sure that's on there?
Yes, because
Yes.
there is the fan. Apparently you can remove the fan filter and change it and clean it and stuff.
Oh.
That's pretty
Yeah.
nice actually.
Huh.
Not as big heating problem. Don't push it down when we got
Yeah.
this far up.
Yeah, no.
I think you just need to push it, but you don't want to break it. It never feels good when plastic bends.
It's supposed to be... Oh.
Yeah, you just pushed it down. We had trouble 5 minutes getting it up.
Just wondering how hard am I allowed to pull?
Yeah, that's our problem. Maybe if
Oh,
we,
yeah. Oh, don't hurt.
or if you could get more here. I think you need to pull simultaneously.
But it wasn't damaged from the hole in the box?
No, the bag was at that place, luckily. Oh, we don't know it yet. We haven't started it yet. Look at this.
This seems like
Big
a very
ass
weird way
charger.
to open.
Yeah, it does. There's probably a super simple way.
What's that?
That's the subwoofer.
That's the subwoofer.
Yes.
Looks like a light bulb.
Yeah, I thought it was the
It's a
normal
disco
speaker.
ball.
Yay!
Dance revolution.
And then bit. Yay!
I got it open!
There are 2 fans and 2 filters. Nice.
Yeah.
And
Probably that's why I got 2 extra filters.
What are there 2 hard drives? Oh, what is this?
There's more room for another.
Oh, you can put another one in.
What? You got it?
Yeah, I'm like Superman.
Okay, here you
How
have.
did you do it? You just pulled it?
Don't forget to go to the where you have electrical socket to discharge.
That's outside.
Don't you have it there?
Yes, but does he
mat.
have a
It's-
mat for it?
Yeah, you don't have to. It's enough to like touch the pins.
We can make a chain.
We hold all the way.
Are we supposed to touch this?
Yeah, the golden pins.
Yeah.
And then you discharge, and then you just...
You tend to normal.
Yes.
And
then you don't scratch your hair before you pull it in. Just put it in. Don't touch the plastic.
You can touch the plastic. That's
Yeah.
not
That's not
conducting.
discharging, but it
touching
doesn't conduct him either, so he should be grounded.
Let's see.
Just open the plastic and put them in. It's not that hard. You're supposed to go there.
Don't have to yell at me. I thought there was supposed to be memories in it from the start.
Here it is, below.
Oh, below that.
For some reason they made it so you only can put in memories, not take out the old one.
So you're going to have 8 plus 16 now?
It's
No,
8 plus 8.
Oh, 8 plus
That
8.
equals 16.
Yes, I know. I can do math. I used to
Corsair
know. I
Vengeance.
just thought you bought 16.
Yeah, he bought these from me actually. I had them spare. I had 2 of these 8 gigs packs spared. He has the other one. You haven't paid for it yet.
You said I could have them for free.
I said you could try them.
No, you didn't. You said I could have them for free.
Remove this.
No, it's
Okay.
supposed to be on there so you can see what model done and stuff. It doesn't need to be removed.
You're not supposed to destroy the stuff.
Okay. Let's
You put it in an angle from above, then you push the end down when you put... Not that
Maybe
much.
you should do it.
Yeah, I said that, but he doesn't want to.
Okay, maybe.
It's my computer. If someone's going to destroy it, it's me.
Yes, kind of like that.
Maybe.
I think you need... Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, you should do it.
I
really don't want to break it.
So you want to be
I can hold the
blame me.
camera.
We can make it.
I can be the camera guy.
I can touch you and I touch you.
Yeah, it sounds weird.
Yeah.
Well, you are weird.
Don't break it.
Why doesn't it go in as it should?
There's a block.
It's supposed to go...
You can't do it either.
Yeah, it should...
I think you're just too weak.
No, I don't want to destroy his computer, because then I would have to pay and I'm poor.
I thought it was your memories.
Yeah, but it's his computer, I don't want to break it, I don't want to...
Are you sure it's gonna fit there?
Yeah, it should fit there, I don't understand why it
Yeah,
don't go
they're
in.
the exact same model that's already in. Well, maybe not exact.
Not the same brand, I don't even think they're the same size, but...
It should be. It should. It
You
should work.
suck.
Yeah, this is all.
I mean, no, you're supposed to pull those up.
No, you're not.
Yes, it's stuck there. Under that white. Pull those also to the side and pull up the metal. Aren't you? No?
No, I don't think so. No. See if it fits here. It would be odd to...
Here we can.
I know,
You're supposed to pull it
I just
in
want to
down
try. There we go. There it went in.
and if you push it down, is it stuck then?
Yeah, but don't push it down until we get this while we still have
Maybe
the
you should
opportunity.
take the lower one first.
Yeah, but we just want to try. But now you know they go in at least. You just have to push a little bit.
I said you were too weak.
I was too scared.
And gods must be strong.
Yeah, he's no god.
Reference to Halo.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, but maybe not all the viewers.
This doesn't seem to work.
You guys suck.
I
need
just
to.
need to get a new computer.
There we go.
No, I'm not gonna get a new computer.
Why doesn't it go in?
Push it, push it.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
You made it!
Now we need to make sure that everything is in place before we put that on.
Because we won't
You
get
didn't
them
move
again.
anything.
We didn't
You sure you're not gonna
do what?
buy a new hard drive later?
Yeah. I was.
Could be useful.
Yeah.
An SSD disk?
Yeah,
Maybe.
we actually looked at one when we were looking
The
at
problem
this.
is the price.
Can you hold this?
Yes. Oh, your arm getting tired.
No, I need to blow my nose.
Yeah, right. Okay, let's get it on.
Yeah, now you just need to wait. Hold this.
No. 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 Shoot.
Take it up from the beginning because you have it too far now. You have to push down.
Yeah, well, but you can't use an angle because these are not in the same.
You have to be a bit forceful.
It's a powerful computer. You have to be powerful yourself.
Yes.
go.
Nice. And we will come back to...
We are in business!
This
Yes.
was much easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will come back later tonight when we have the LAN party. Bye.